Hey Kellys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki, and if you are new here, I do all things curly hair tips, product reviews and styling. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a one product wash and go with the Doux mousse. And if you've been watching my videos, you will have known that I've tried many types of mousses in the past and I haven't quite found the perfect mousse that is going to give me the hold and definition that I'm looking for. But I've heard such good things about the Doux mousse, so I could not resist picking it up even though I did spend £20 on it and trying it out for myself. So let's get into the video. We are starting off from freshly washed and conditioned hair and start by sectioning it off into halves and then quarters and then applying the product in some smaller sections. What I did love is the smell of this mousse. It smells absolutely amazing. In comparison to some of what I have used in the past, i.e. the Sheer Moisture, Jamaican Black Castor Oil smell like Play-Doh. As I was applying it, it was just going on really well, similar to what I've experienced before with the Miel Pomegranate and Honey Mousse. I'm just raking it through with my Camille Rose brush to create better curl clumps. I'm basically just repeating the same process all around my head, trying to section the back off into slightly different sections so it doesn't give me this harsh parting line at the back of my head. But I must say I was really enjoying using this mousse. It seems to clump my curls really well, and I didn't have to put too much work into getting the curls to stick together and create some good definition. First impressions of this mousse was really good. The last mousse I used gave me a bit of an allergic reaction, so this one was definitely an improvement on the last one. I'm really going in working the product from root to end because I do get some root frizz at times, and it's really important if you want a nice even curl all the way down your hair that you get the product right from the roots all the way down to the ends. And if you're interested in seeing how to get definition from roots to ends, just click the card above at the top of the screen. Finally, I'm just going over my head, making sure that all the little bits are clumped together and just checking that there's no curls that I've missed. This is what it's looking like so far, and it is still obviously very wet. The full head is really nice and defined, and I'm going to go and diffuse this using my Bellissima diffuser. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like once it's pretty much dry. This is about 80%. I didn't diffuse it all the way to 100, we'll just leave it to air dry on its own. This is the next day. I just put my hair up in a headscarf for bed and my hair is now 100% dry. I'm going out this day, so I decided to wear my hair out and break the cast using a little bit of the Imbu serum. I'm just redoing some of my bangs as overnight they always go a little bit funny and lose their shape. Overall, I was really impressed with this mousse. I will definitely be using it again, and it is my favourite so far. I would recommend it to anyone who's looking for more of a strong hold in a mousse. This is definitely the one, and it did give me long lasting moisture for a good few days after using this without having to refresh. If you're interested in seeing my other one product wash and goes, click the thumbnails at the end of this video and I will see you in the next one.